To begin with, please read the complete disclaimer. I'm not responsible either for your profit or your losses. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst or an advisor. So before taking any trade, please consult your financial advisor. To begin with, let's discuss about the call open interest, put open interest and put call ratio. Call open interest as of closing Friday is 9,98,045 and put open interest as of closing on Friday is 6,564. So the put call ratio is 0.06 and it is close to 0.05. So the chances of market going down is more compared to going up. So please be careful as a buyer. This is the analysis as per the put call ratio. Let's analyze FIIs, DIIs transaction data as on Friday. FIIs bought for 8,222.94 CR and they sold 13,268.28 CR. So sell is more than buying. The difference is 5,045.34 CR more they have sold, and DIIs, that's domestic institutional investors, they bought for 9,617.43 CR and they sold for 602.58.76 CR. So DII's buying pressure is more, that is 3358.67 CR. Even with this, the difference is almost 2,300 crore selling has happened more on Friday. So better to take a trade or look into the trade which will give us the selling side trade. As per the candlestick chart, it's telling that 17,291.27 is acting as a good resistance and 16,994.87 as a good support. Due to fairly wide CPR, day should be sideways. Weekly closing is below 21 EMA and it is seen sideways market even on weekly, and daily closing is below 21 EMA and 50 EMA. Both EMAs are attached. I mean, they are married and they are going together. Again sideways or downtrend. Hourly candle closing below 21 EMA and 50 EMA, so which says it as downtrend. The overall trend here is sideways and we need to look into such kind of trades which give us good mileage on selling side and not on the buying side. To begin with, please read the complete disclaimer. I'm not responsible either for your